Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and happy Valentine's Day. So today we're gonna talk a bit about Valentine's Day. No, not exactly. We're gonna do an unboxing of a Valentine's box. Before I go into what's in it, the box is not a special one. It's a very basic one like you see I've got from the post. But the box is not really important because you're gonna throw it anyway. So this box comes from a company that was looking for influencers, of course. And I don't know if you've heard about it. It's called DutBle. DutBle has been created actually by a blogger called Nemi. And now that is becoming a huge influencer group. She's been doing those subscription boxes that comes every 3 months, I would say. Like for Christmas we got a box, and this Valentine box was more of a box that you had to pay to get it. Of course, it is not sponsored by DutBle, and the next box that we're gonna get is for Easter. So I'm gonna put some details about this DutBle influencer in my description below. So if you want to join and if you want to get those boxes and if you're interested in getting the items, so why not? But of course it is not provided by the company, so they're not giving it to you free of charge. You have to pay for it, as I am. And also I don't know, when you subscribe, if you could just put my referral, then it will be great. So let's open this box. Oh yeah, there. We got the little cute card with it. So roses are red, violets are blue. Here is your Valentine's box just for you. And the box is with a little cute heart package. And so it's called DutBle, and all influencers are called Dutch blenders. I am actually a premium blender, so I got access to this Valentine box. You can also become a premium blender and it's not expensive at all. I think it's just $3 more. I don't have the prices right now in my head, but come on. So let's open this. Okay, I destroyed it. This is what we have from the box right now. We have this little new smoochie and some little presents from Perditi. These little thingies are coming back now, and red of course because of Valentine's Day. I remember for Christmas I got a green one. It was a very nice one. What do we have here? We got some little flyers to tell us more about the products, and there. Like I told you, I'm a premium blender, so I ordered this box, this particular one. Normally Perditi ones are good ones. They have like beautiful watches, beautiful simple jewelry that I really like, of course. And there's a new brand, they're Fergsley, do you know how you pronounce it? And this is a new product that has been sponsoring the DutBle since some time. So great. Let's see. Let's open this one first. Oh, so it's a fun bracelet, I guess. And yeah. So this bracelet is real silk. Okay. And this bracelet is actually worth 39 euros. And this box, I paid it less than 40 euros. So with all the products that I get in, and of course I got a little chocolate in it, so yes. And now I hope I don't get doubles in the Perditi because I've bought their bracelets, I've bought their rings and everything, so I just hope it's not something I already have. Okay, it got all messed up, but it's actually the Emoji Necklace from Perditi. It has a heart shaped, of course, for Valentine. And with all your Perditi purchase, by the way, you get your certificate of authenticity that this is the real product, it's not a copy or everything, and that the products aren't gonna make you get any reactions or anything. Next one, the Emoji Ring to go with the Perditi necklace. Valentine's Day. Hello! I think it's a cute one. And the last big one. I am so excited to know what it is. I guess it's a purse. Oh my god. This is so nice. The feel is really, really nice. So I got a purse, and it's a very cute one by Perdity, and I really like the color also. And also for this one, you also get your little certificate of warranty, of authenticity. And normally with those also certificate of authenticity, you get warranty for 2 years. So this is my little Valentine's box. Really nice one. Maybe we could have got some little chocolates and candies in it for Valentine's Day. And if I remember well, this Valentine box is worth 219 euros, but you aren't even paying 40 euros for all of them. So if you're interested, I don't know if they still have the Valentine box on. I know I posted this unboxing late, but normally they do ship quite quickly, and I haven't got any problem with my items, so there you go. So this was the discovery about the DutBle box. I'm gonna post from time to time those boxes. My personal review about this box is, for the price and the quality of the products that you get, I like it. I would have preferred that I don't get the items that I already bought in the past, because now I find myself actually with 2 Emoji necklaces. I bought the first necklace when it first got out, so I'm here now with 2 Emoji necklaces. Maybe I'm gonna do a giveaway of the products that I have in DutBle, because I haven't worn them, they're still new. I'm still gonna give you the certificate of authenticity with the products, so why not a giveaway? Tell me what you think about it. And this is also a look that has been inspired by Valentine's Day, and if you want to see a tutorial of this look, please click on the link here. I think it's gonna appear somewhere on here. And somebody wants to say hi. Say hi there. Every time I'm doing videos, he's always around looking at me like, what are you doing? Are you talking alone to your camera? So, yeah. Thank you so much for watching. And if you want to see more of the videos and the unboxings that I'm gonna do for the DutBle or any other one, stay tuned. Want to get notified with every video that I post every time. There's this little bell. You just have to click on it once you've subscribed. Thank you again for your time, and see you on my next video. Bye!